Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed the structure of nucleus, types of cells based on the nucleus, and the differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. These are discussed in the previous class. Today, we will be discussing another important cell organelle, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is one of the important cell organelle. Cytoplasm is a fluid content inside the cell membrane. Cytoplasm contains many specialized cell organelles like nucleus, ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, etc. These all cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Each cell organelle performs specific functions for the cells. Each cell organelle performs specific functions for the cell. All cell organelles are enclosed by a membrane. All cell organelles are enclosed by a membrane. This membrane is known as cell membrane. All cell organelles are enclosed by a special membrane. These membranes are known as cell. Cells are enclosed by cell membrane. So, in prokaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In prokaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In prokaryotes, nucleus is also absent. But in eukaryotic cells, all cell organelles are membrane bound cell organelles. In eukaryotic cells, all cell organelles are membrane bound cell organelles. In eukaryotic cells, nucleus is present, and so this is the cytoplasm. Once again, cytoplasm is a fluid content inside the cell membrane. Cytoplasm contains different types of cell organelles. These cell organelles perform specific function for the each cell organelle performs specific function for the cell. All cell organelles are enclosed by membranes. In prokaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In prokaryotic cells, nucleus is also absent. But in eukaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles and nucleus is present. Okay, student? And then another important cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is one of the another important cell organelle. It is also known as ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum. It is another important cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. What is endoplasmic reticulum? How many types of endoplasmic reticulums are present? What is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum creates passage within the cytoplasm for the transport of substances from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is mainly two types. Endoplasmic reticulum is mainly two types. They are one, rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum creates passage within the cytoplasm for the transport of substances from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is mainly classified into two types. They are, first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum పైన రైబోజోమ్స్ కనుక గ్రాన్యూల్స్ లాగా ఉంటే అటువంటి ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం ఏమంటారంటే రఫ్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం అంటారు. రఫ్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం. సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not contain ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. ఈ స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులంకి వచ్చేపాటికి ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం సర్ఫేస్ మీద రైబోజోమ్స్ అనేవి ఉండవు, గ్రాన్యూల్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉండవు. అలా గ్రాన్యూల్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ రైబోజోమ్స్ కనుక లేకపోతే దాన్ని స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం అంటారు. సో smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not contain any granule-like structures on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? The function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein manufacture, protein synthesis, protein preparation. Is rough endoplasmic reticulum సింథసైజ్ ప్రోటీన్స్. అంటే రఫ్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం అనేది ప్రోటీన్స్ని సింథసైజ్ చేయడంలో హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద రఫ్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం. ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం ఇన్ ద endoplasmic reticulum? The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. అంటే లిపిడ్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్యాట్స్ని మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయడంలో స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్మూత్ ఎండోప్లాజ్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ and next cell organelle is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are another important cell organelle present inside the cytoplasm. Okay. Golgi bodies are another important cell organelle. These cell organelles are observed by Camelo-Golgi. Camelo-Golgi observed Golgi complex in the year of 1898. 1898. In the year of 1898, Camelo-Golgi observed Golgi bodies in the cell. So Golgi complex, it is Golgi bodies are also known as Golgi complex. Golgi complex is also made up of several membranes. Golgi bodies are also made up of several membranes. What is the function of Golgi bodies? The function of the Golgi bodies is to package the various substances before they are transported to other part of the cell. What is the function of Golgi bodies? The function of the Golgi bodies is to package the different types of substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. Okay. The number of the Golgi bodies are different from cell to cell. అన్ని సెల్స్లో Golgi bodies number అనేది ఈక్వల్గా ఉండదు. The number of Golgi bodies varies from cell to cell. Golgi bodies number are particularly large in those cells that secrete hormones and enzymes. ఏ సెల్స్ అయితే హార్మోన్స్ని ఎంజైమ్స్ని సెక్రీట్ చేస్తాయో, ఏ సెల్స్లో అయితే హార్మోన్స్ ఎంజైమ్స్ అనేది సెక్రీట్ అవుతాయో ఆ సెల్స్లో Golgi బాడీస్ నంబర్ అనేది లార్జ్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉంటుంది. పర్టికులర్గా ఏ సెల్స్ అయితే హార్మోన్స్ని ఎంజైమ్స్ సెక్రీట్ కావో ఆ సెల్స్లో Golgi బాడీస్ నంబర్ అనేది లెస్గా ఉంటుంది, తక్కువగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. సో Golgi bodies are also known as Golgi complex. Golgi bodies are observed by Camelo-Golgi in the year of 1898. Golgi bodies are made up of several tube-like structures. These tube-like structures are covered by a membrane. The function of the Golgi bodies is to package different substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. The number of the Golgi bodies are different from cell to cell. The Golgi bodies number are particularly large in those cells that secrete hormones and enzymes. Okay, children. And next, another important cell organelle is lysosomes. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are the another important cell organelle. These are also known as suicidal bags of the cells. Lysosomes, they are also known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell. Very important. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags of the cell. Why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags of the cell? Because lysosomes contain destructive enzymes. Lysosomes are a very tiny sac-like structures. They contain some destructive enzymes. So they are known as suicidal bags of the cell. Okay, children. This is the